Hi everyone, Mrs. Black here to share another story with you today. This one is called Flea Seeks Dog by Will Mabbott and Nathan Reed. Flea seeks dog. It's not you, it's me. Can't you see that this flea simply needs to be free, said a flea to his dog. Free to see other dogs, free to hop, free to roam. I'm hoping to find a new dog for my home. He's too big, too small, too short and too tall. Too hairy, too scary, too chasing a ball. Too loud and too cheeky, too quiet and sneaky. Too mopey, too lopey, too frequently leaky. With a little umbrella. Too dirty, too clean, too greedy, too lean. Too sticky, too licky, occasionally mean. Too spotty, too spotty, too spotty, too spotty, too spotty, too spotty, too spotty. Too spotty. Too busy, too calm, too city, too farm. But who's in the kennel? Too sounding alarm. It's hard to find perfect. I've searched day and night. But what's this approaching? A wonderful sight. A skip and a jump, a leap and a bound. This dog, it's the dog I'd forgotten. My favourite hound. There you go. I hope you all enjoyed Flea Seeking Dog. Thank you.